Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to explore exactly how you need to use hyphens and dashes. Now, using a hyphen, there are some clear rules. They are, first and foremost, it's really clear to point out this might be new to you. They are not a dash, which is longer. So the main purpose of a hyphen is to connect two words when they form a single idea. So for example, off campus, state of the art, hot desking, hot seating. So when they form one idea, the hyphen here helps to link it together so people understand. You can also use the hyphen to indicate a range in time or number, for instance, or distance. So, for example, I'll meet you from 4 to 4:15 p.m. or between the years 1999 to 2018. Or we expect there'll be 300 to 340 people here. So you can see the hyphen is used to highlight distance and a range in that time. Hyphens are also used to tell the ages of people and things. So, for example, we have a 2-year-old child. You might use that. But there's an exception here. We have a 1-year-old child. Notice that is only in the singular. There's no need for the hyphen because it's just a singular, it's not plural. Sometimes, as well, before we move on, hyphens can be used to clarify meaning. So, Farnham has little town charm is quite confusing. That suggests to me that the place has little in the way of charm. It's unappealing. However, if I remember to use the hyphen, Farnham has little town charm. Now there's a sense that this is a charming little town. We get the idea as to why that's so important. So, what about the dash? Well, the rules are for the dash, so we can use it for in the same way as brackets, but we would use it to show a severe interruption to the sentence. Here's an example. He was late. I couldn't believe it. So we decided to skip the meal. So that's a severe interruption. I might use it within written dialogue, and I can use it in that way to show when the dialogue is broken, essentially to form an interruption. What's that? Or even halfway through a word, I can use the dash to indicate interruption. And then finally, to separate parts of the sentence to emphasize them. So there's only one place left to visit now, Mars. And that dash here really helps to highlight a sense of drama. It really helps to heighten the importance of that particular word. So that's, again, a little bit more of a stylistic choice. You might not use the dash in this example, but it does help to kind of emphasize a sense of drama upon the idea, in this example, Mars. So thank you. You may not have known the difference between a hyphen and a dash. Well, you do now. Get practicing. Well done.